Hello students, you're welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. I'm Deepak Sudhar and today in this video we are going to learn about certain MCQs of BCom Semester 3 HNGS online exam for the December 2020. These are the MCQs related to banking letters. So let's discuss in details. So if you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification from our YouTube channel. So let's get started. First question: we should keep our savings with banks because. So the correct answer is D. All of above. It is a safe, earns interest, and can be withdrawn anytime. Okay, students. Next, bank does not give loan against. Options are A. Gold ornaments, B. LIC policy, C. Lottery ticket, and D. NSC. So the correct answer is C. Lottery ticket. Next questions: 100 rupees note is signed by a Prime Minister, B. Finance Minister, C. RBI Governor, D. None of the above. So the answer is C. RBI Governor. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. Fifth questions: nomination can be done in. Options are A. Savings bank account, B. Recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account, all of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question: minimum age required to open SB account in the bank. Options are A. 8 years, B. 10 years, C. 12 years, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is B. 10 years. Seventh question: bank does not provide loans for crops loans, education loans, home loans, drinking and gambling. So is it quite easy? Yes. So the answer is D. Drinking and gambling. Next question: KYC means. So know your customer, B. Know your character, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. Know your customer. So it can be like that. What is the full form of KYC? So the answer would be know your customer. And questions also would be like these, that know your customer is KYC. Okay, like that. Next question: loans from money lenders are A. With high rate of interest, B. No proper accounting, C. No transparency, and D. Above all of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next questions: 10. ATM means. So the correct answer is automated teller machine. It is quite easy. Next question: timely repayment of loans results. Options are A. Good reputations, B. No tension, C. Easily available of loan in future, and D. All of above. So the correct answer is D. All of above. Next question: defaulter of loan means. Options are A. Not paying loan installments, B. Bad reputations, illegal activities, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. Not paying loan installments. Next question: Aadhaar is A. 12-digit number card, B. Identify proof issued by the UIDAI, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is C. Both A and B is the correct. Next question: which is prohibited for writing on currency notes? So the options are political message, religious message, C. personal message, and D. all of the above. So the correct answer is D. all of the above. Next, 15 question: highest denomination of currency notes issued by the RBI is A. rupees 100, rupees 500. Next, C. rupees 1000, and D. rupees 2000. So the correct answer is D. rupees 2000. Next, PAN means a kind of utensil. B. Primary account number. C. Permanent account number. And D. None of above. So the correct answer is C. Permanent account number. It is PAN. PAN also means PAN card that we use to open account and for some documents. As documents we use PAN. So PAN means permanent account number. Next, bank provides loans for options are A. Home, car, educations and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Which currency note has security thread? Options are A. 50 rupees, B. 100 rupees, C. 500 rupees and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next 19th question. The safest place for keeping money. Options are A. Pit dug in the ground, B. An iron box, C. Bank, D. Moneylender. So the correct answer is C. Bank. Next question. Gold and silver ornaments should be kept in a bank lockers. Options are A. It is a safe, B. No risk of theft, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is C. Both A and B. It is also safe and there is no risk of theft. Next question. Currency notes are issued by RBI, B. NABARD, C. Public sector banks and D. Central government. So the correct answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is issued the currency note. Coins are issued by a government of India, B. NABARD, C. Public sector banks and D. State Bank of India. So the correct answer is A. Government of India. So coins will be issued by the government of India. Next question. Bank passbook is A. Issued by a bank, B. Contain transaction detail of bank account, C. Shows balance in account and D. All of above. So correct answer is D. All of above. Next question. Banks pays interest on A. Deposits, B. Loans, C. Both A and B and D. None of above. So the correct answer is A. Deposits. Next question. Bank charges interest on A. Deposits, B. Loans, C. Both A and B and D. None of above. So the correct answer is B. Loans. Next question. Education loans. Options are A. Cover tuition fee and expenses, B. Are repayable after completion of course, C. Granted for studies in India and abroad, D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next question. Internet banking refers to. Options are A. Operation of account through internet, opening of account through ATM, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. So the correct answer is A. Operation of account through internet. Next question. Nomination once done can. Options are A. Not be cancelled, B. Be cancelled, C. Not be changed, D. None of above. So the correct answer is B. Be cancelled. Next question. Who can open bank account? Options are A. Indian citizen, B. Non-resident Indian, C. Illiterate and D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D. All of above. Next question. PAN number is required for. PAN means PAN number is required for a deposit less than rupees 50,000, B. Deposit in excess of rupees 1 lakh, C. Deposits rupees 50,000 and above and D. All the transactions. So the correct answer is C. Deposits rupees 50,000 and above. Next question. Maximum amount of check. Options are A. Rupees 100 crore, B. No limit, C. Rupees 1 crore, D. None of the above. So the correct answer is B. No limit. Next question. Payment of check can be stopped by. Payment of check can be stopped by A. Beneficiary, B. Nominee, C. Drawer of check, and D. All of above. So the correct answer is C. Drawer of check. Next question. Account pay checks can be paid A. At cash counter of bank, B. At ATM, C. By deposit in bank account, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is C. By deposit in a bank account. Next question. Contents of locker are, options are A. Only known to hirer, B. Known to bank, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So the correct answer is A. Only known to hirer. Next question. Maximum tenure of fixed deposit is, option A 5 years, options B 7 years, option C 8 years, and option D 10 years. So the correct answer is D 10 years. Next question. What is Atal Pension Yojana? It is short form as APY. So APY is Atal Pension Yojana. So A provides social security to unorganized sector, B encourage workers to voluntarily save for their retirement, C fixed pension is paid on attaining age of 60 years, and D all of the above. So the correct answer is D all of the above. Next question. Which type of deposits earns higher interest rate? Correct answer is A current account, B saving account, C fixed deposits, and D none of above. So the correct answer is C fixed deposits. Next questions. What is validity period of check? Options are A 4 months from the date of issue, B 3 months from the date of issue, C 1 month from the date of issue, and D unlimited. So the correct answer is B 3 months from the date of issue. Next question. Can illiterate person be issued the debit card? So the answer is A no, B yes, C only in case of joint account, D only in case he is head of the family. So the correct answer is B yes. So anyone can issue debit account. Next question. Bank passbook is also known as A bank book, B bank account, C bank column, and D bank statement. So the correct answer is D bank statement. Next question. In banking, correspondence date is written. Options are A in the beginning of the letter, B in the middle of the letter, and C at the end of the letter. So the correct answer is A in the beginning of the letter. Next question. A customer can write a letter of complaint to the bank authorities, means manager, when, options are A he is not satisfied with the services of the bank employee, B when he is insulted by the bank employee, C when he is not given any response by the bank employee, and D all of the above. So the correct answer is D all of the above. Okay friends, I hope so you have enjoyed in this video. So if you like this video, do like and press bell icon so that you can get notification of our next coming videos and our updates. Okay students, thank you for watching.